Hi, I'm Aina. I'm an artist. I'm bored and I decided to make a pie with minced beef and chopped onions. So if you're broke and you don't have any ingredients at home, this is a perfect solution for you not to starve. For filling, we're using Worcestershire sauce, minced beef, carrots, onions, beef broth. So I'm starting with chopping my onions. I'm not a chef, don't expect me to show you tricks with cutting it fast and make you say, wow, she's so good with this. No, I just cook sometimes. I think that's enough onions, right? So, Jesus. We can have big slices, big chunks of carrots. I think this will make it even more British. I will slice in half this part though. Alright. I have a good feeling about this pie. My eyes burn. I'm okay. I'm not crying. Maybe a little. Cheers. Oh my god. I'm finished with the onions, but I started crying when I started cutting the carrots. I think this is actually enough of carrots. I don't want our pie to be like too sweet, you know. So I'm adding this chopped carrots also inside of our pan. Let's start cooking. I think I will use olive oil. It needs vegetable oil, but I don't have it. So whatever. Let's just add olive oil. So this is how you are frying it. If there's anything new for you. I always fry onions and carrots first because, you know, they have to die. They have to get soft. So just leave it. Oh, we also have to preheat our stove. I forgot. It's 350 degrees in Fahrenheit. I also bought very interesting tomato paste. It's just like a toothpaste thing. Not too much, just a tiny bit. So you have the cubes of beef stock. You're adding it to the cup. Now we're adding the Worcestershire sauce. Not too much, you know. Then we're adding beef stock. Uh-oh. It didn't even get processed. Jesus. Okay. I hope it will melt inside, so it's gonna be fine. This looks good. To put it. All right. Let's salt this baby. I'm pretty scared of kosher salt, you know. It makes everything too salty. So let's be very, very careful with that shit. Putting it here. Now we're adding pepper. Just a regular black pepper. Nice. Do you like potatoes inside of your pies? Absolutely go for it. Now I'm peeling it with a huge knife. Very dangerous. Please don't do that at home. I'm used to huge knives. I'm not sure about you all. Don't sue me after watching this. After peeling our monster potato, just make tiny cubes. Like this. And adding to the filling. So the recipe says that we have to use like 130 grams of butter. Delicious butter. Oh my god. I will make small cubes, you know. My blender is small. I hope to fit it in like this. Perfect. It says for 3 cups of flour. Do you think this cup or another cup? Let's do this. It says 3 cups of flour. We have only whole wheat. I'm not sure how the pie will taste with the whole wheat. I love white flour, you know. I always buy white bread. Jesus, it's a lot already. How many cups did how many cups did I have? I filled up the cups a lot, so this cup can be just half full. Are you ready? All right, let's try to mix it, adding some water. The water must be cold. Very excited about this pie. Oof, smells like butter. I love butter. I think we may need more flour. Anyway, I added just the half of the cup. Let's now add the half more. Let's see what happens. I think it's gonna be fine. Oh yeah. Feels much better. I think it's cooked. I think it looks okay. Let's turn it off. So this beauty is ready. I don't know if I have to put it in the fridge. I don't remember the ingredients. I mean the recipe. But cares. Now let's start making our pie. I think we can split it in two, like in half. And we can start making our crust flat. Oh yeah. So let's put this beautiful, this tasty crust inside of our bowl. Let's make a nest for our filling, just like this. Right? Let's make the second layer now. Make it flat. Da, 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 da. Now we're gonna break an egg and mix it with a fork. So I think it's alright. Now we're gonna put the filling inside of our pie. Yummy, yummy. I also sprinkled some peas in the end. Put it around just like this. Putting the other half like this. And now I'm gonna also put some egg on the top. It will get this beautiful, beautiful red color in the end after it's done. Nice. Ta-da! And now we're putting it into the oven. So we're leaving this in the oven for 30 minutes. Ooh yeah. I think it looks good. Yum.